Ever felt like you're trying to find a street address in a city that doesn't exist on any map? Like you're searching for a digital needle in a haystack of blockchain data? Yeah, that's exactly how it can feel when you're trying to locate your Kraken wallet address for the first time. You've got this exciting world of crypto at your fingertips, you want to send or receive some digital assets, but where's the darn address? It's not like your home address, neatly printed on a letter. It's a cryptic string of characters, and if you get even one wrong, well, let's just say your funds might take a permanent vacation to the digital abyss. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let's acknowledge why this matters. It's not just about finding a random sequence of letters and numbers. It's about security, control, and ultimately, your financial sovereignty in the digital age. Your wallet address is the key to interacting with the blockchain, sending and receiving assets, and participating in the decentralized economy. Mess it up, and you're playing a risky game. Think of it like this: your Kraken wallet is your digital bank account. But instead of a bank branch with a teller, you're interacting directly with the blockchain. Your wallet address is your account number, and just like you wouldn't give out your bank account number to just anyone without knowing exactly why, you need to understand how to find and use your Kraken wallet address safely and correctly. We've all heard the horror stories. Funds lost forever due to a simple typo, or worse, sent to the wrong address because of a phishing scam. The blockchain is unforgiving. There are no undo buttons, no customer service lines to call. Once your crypto is gone, it's usually gone for good. That's why understanding the fundamentals of your wallet address is crucial. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. You've signed up for Kraken, you've verified your account, and you're ready to start transacting. But where is this elusive wallet address? First things first, you need to log into your Kraken account. Make sure you're on the official Kraken website, not a phishing site. Double-check the URL, look for the padlock icon in the address bar, and ensure you're using strong, unique passwords and two-factor authentication. Security is paramount. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Funding or Assets section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the Kraken interface, but it's usually prominent and easy to find. This is where you manage your digital assets. Here's where things get specific. You're looking for the deposit option. This is the key to finding your wallet address. When you click on the deposit, you'll be presented with a list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Let's say, for example, you want to deposit Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin from the list. Now, here's the crucial part. Kraken will generate a unique Bitcoin deposit address for you. This is your Kraken Bitcoin wallet address. It's a long string of alphanumeric characters, typically starting with 1 or 3 for Bitcoin. Important note, every cryptocurrency has its own unique address format. A Bitcoin address is different from an Ethereum address, which is different from a Cardano address, and so on. Make absolutely sure you're selecting the correct cryptocurrency when you're generating your deposit address. Sending the wrong type of cryptocurrency to the wrong address will result in permanent loss of funds. You'll see options to copy the address or view it as a QR code. Copying the address is the simplest method. Double-check that you've copied the entire address correctly. Even a single incorrect character will render the address invalid. Alternatively, you can use the QR code. This is particularly useful for mobile transactions. Most crypto wallets have built-in QR code scanners. Simply scan the QR code with your wallet app, and the address will be automatically entered. This reduces the risk of errors from manual input. Now, let's talk about security. Never share your private keys. Your wallet address is public, but your private keys are like the PIN to your bank account. Keep them secret. Kraken will never ask you for your private keys. If anyone does, it's a scam. Also, be wary of phishing scams. Scammers often create fake websites or send emails that look like they're from Kraken. Always verify the legitimacy of any communication before entering your login credentials or sharing any sensitive information. And remember, your deposit address can change. Kraken may generate new deposit addresses for security or operational reasons. Always double-check your deposit address within your Kraken account before sending any funds. Don't rely on saved addresses or old transaction records. Let's address some common questions. What happens if I send the wrong cryptocurrency to my Kraken address? Unfortunately, in most cases, the funds will be lost. The blockchain is designed to be immutable, meaning transactions cannot be reversed. Always double-check the cryptocurrency and the address before sending any funds. Can I use my Kraken wallet address to receive funds from any wallet? Yes, you can receive funds from any compatible wallet. However, it's crucial to ensure that the sending wallet supports the specific cryptocurrency you're receiving. Is it safe to share my Kraken wallet address? Yes, it's safe to share your deposit address. It's like sharing your bank account number. However, never share your private keys or login credentials. What if I lose my Kraken wallet address? You can always retrieve your deposit address from your Kraken account. Just log in and navigate to the Funding or Assets section, as we discussed earlier. Now, let's talk about best practices. Always double-check the address before sending any funds. Use a reputable wallet app with built-in address verification. Enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account. Keep your software up to date. Be wary of phishing scams. And remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting and full of potential. But it's also a world that requires caution and diligence. Understanding how to find and use your Kraken wallet address is a fundamental step in your crypto journey. By following these guidelines, you can navigate the blockchain with confidence and security. It's a process of learning, really. Each step is a layer of understanding that builds your confidence. You start with the simple act of locating the address, then you learn about the different coin types, the importance of security, and the best practices for safe transactions. It all adds up. Think of it like learning a new language. You start with the alphabet, then you learn words, then sentences, and eventually, you can have a conversation. Finding your wallet address is like learning the alphabet of crypto. It's the first step towards fluency. And remember, the blockchain is a public ledger. Every transaction is recorded and visible to everyone. This transparency is a powerful feature, but it also means that you need to be extra careful about your privacy. Never share more information than necessary, and always use strong, unique passwords. So, to recap, log into your Kraken account, navigate to the Funding or Assets section, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, copy the deposit address or use the QR code, double-check the address, and send your funds safely. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.